Michigan, USA, March 16, 2026.
Welcome to Ishpeming, Michigan. Snowstorm, spinal fusion. Day, what is it, 2 or 3 of this crap?
A blizzard and ice storm sweeping across northern Michigan and the Upper Peninsula has brought whiteout conditions, treacherous travel, and widespread power outages, leaving some communities at a standstill. Snow totals have reached as high as 36 inches in some areas, with heavy drifting burying roads and driveways. Residents across northern Michigan said they haven't seen snow like this in years. Roscommon County declared a local state of emergency Monday, March 16th, after about 87% of the county was without power, according to Michigan State Police.
Lake's over there somewhere.
Sheriff's offices in Michigan's northern Lower Peninsula and the Upper Peninsula are advising residents to stay home and not travel the roads after a high-impact winter storm dumped between 20 and 30 inches of snow throughout parts of the state. In Schoolcraft County in the Mideastern Upper Peninsula, Deputy Jason Jackson said the roads were terrible, absolutely terrible. An observer station 2 miles south of Herman, in Lawrence Township in Michigan's Baraga County, reported 36 inches of snow in the last 48 hours, including 34 in the most recent 24-hour period, as of Monday morning, according to the National Weather Service.
So I'm venturing out to get picked up for work.
The next highest total was 35 inches at 12:06 p.m. in Spalding in Menominee County, the southernmost up county along Lake Michigan. The southeast Forest Lake area of Alcona County in Michigan's northeastern part of the Lower Peninsula got hit with 31.9 inches through 7 a.m. Monday. Both Menominee and Baraga Counties' 3 lakes in the UP received 31 inches of snow from Saturday morning to Monday morning, the agency said. National Mine, which is in the UP's Marquette County, reported 30 inches of snow as of 6:30 a.m. Monday, the Weather Service said.
All right.
You just watch your berm on that
Okay.
side. Okay.
You're about a foot.
Near Harbor Springs, Ami Woods said she was hunkered down and unable to leave her house for the first time in years. Woods owns the Good Heart General Store along the tunnel of trees on M119. Depending on where you are, the drifting is 5 to 6 feet tall, Woods said. No one has seen this much snow in years. The snow is expected to taper off Tuesday morning, but cleanup will take time as crews work to clear roads and restore power. Some areas are also dealing with significant icing, which can worsen outages and damage. In Roscommon County, located in the northern Lower Peninsula, the sheriff's office said officers were unable to comment on the road conditions because they were out assisting with the cleanup. A post reshared to the office's Facebook page requested drivers on Monday to stay home, warning that a tree had fallen on an administrator's vehicle as the official was driving into work. Michigan State Police shared pictures of Alpena, in the northeastern part of the Lower Peninsula, early Monday morning on X that showed downed trees and power lines in the roads. The post told the residents not to touch the lines and report them to police.
Look at our friends at campfire. Oh, girlfriend.